In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Sellfy. If you're an online seller using Sellfy, having access to your email lists is a crucial part of nurturing customer relationships and creating targeted marketing campaigns. So, let's dive in and walk through how you can easily export these valuable contacts from your Sellfy account. First, you'll want to log into your Sellfy account. Make sure you have your credentials at hand and securely log in through the Sellfy homepage. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar, where you'll find a variety of options to manage your store. The area we're focusing on today is Marketing. Go ahead and click on Marketing to proceed. Next, within the Marketing section, you should see an option related to Email Marketing. Depending on the current interface updates, this section might slightly differ in name or layout, but it will generally be something akin to Email Marketing. Click on that to enter the Email Marketing dashboard. This area is designed to help you manage all your email campaigns and recipient lists. In this dashboard, you'll now be on the lookout for an Export option. This is typically situated near the top of the page or prominently within the main email marketing interface. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it usually indicates that you're looking to export or download your email list. Once you locate this option, click on it to begin the exporting process. At this stage, you'll need to decide which specific recipient list you want to export. There'll be a drop-down menu with various selections. Choices you might see could include All Buyers, which encompasses everyone who has purchased from you. Newsletter subscribers, which is a list of those who've specifically signed up for your updates, or perhaps even buyers of a specific product, which can be useful if you want to target campaigns based on purchase history. There may also be an option to export all buyers and newsletter subscribers if you're looking for a comprehensive list. Select the list that best suits your current needs for marketing or data analysis. After you've made your selection, there will be a button that says Request Report or Export. Click on it, and the system will begin generating your report. This step may take a moment depending on the size of your list or server speeds, so be patient. Once your report is ready, a download option will become available. Simply click on Download to save the CSV file to your computer. This file format is particularly useful as it can be easily imported into various email marketing platforms or spreadsheets for further analysis. And that's a wrap! You've successfully exported your email list from Sellfy, empowering you to engage your audience more effectively. Whether you're sending newsletters, promotional offers, or simply analyzing your customer data, having this information at your fingertips can make all the difference. Happy mailing!